As of August 17, 2025, the Cottonwood Peak Fire has burned through more than 22,000 acres with zero containment. 1. Fire behavior remains extreme, with wind-driven runs and active flanking observed. The Bureau of Land Management, BLM, reported that the fire could expand by up to 6,000 acres within the next 12 hours. Firefighters are focusing on direct line construction along flanks, securing the southern flank, and preparing contingency lines to prevent further spread. 4. Are there any evacuation orders or alerts in place? Elko County Fire Protection District has asked Independence Valley residents to be prepared to evacuate as conditions remain highly unpredictable. Authorities have issued fuels and fire behavior advisories for the area. Structure protection efforts are underway near the Ormat geothermal power plant and ranches along Highway 226.